we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future.
Uber, Bitcoin, self-driving cars. Combine those three together and you have the self-owning taxi. A car that is a corporation that owns itself, pays for the car lease, the car insurance, and the gasoline from the revenues it makes, giving passengers a ride, and there's not a single human involved in that matter.
A salary is the drug they give you when they want you to forget about your dreams.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. Of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We have Jack Dorsey squared to invest $5 million in Blockstream Bitcoin mining facility. Who did I just say? That's right, Blockstream. And who is Blockstream? That one that's in charge of Bitcoin Lightning. Remember, guys, go back and read the white paper. Bitcoin was supposed to scale. The central bank stopped that. Now all of a sudden we have all these altcoins. But we know that Bitcoin Lightning is the IOU to the real Bitcoin. I've been over it several times, but now we're starting to see it all come together. We know Blockstream works with BAC. We also know they have the satellite. And every transaction that's made on Bitcoin can be tracked. And we know that is the New World Order's plan. But it's very important, guys, to always keep your eye on the money. Look behind the curtain. Because what they put in front of your face is what they want you to see. Bitcoin Lightning and Facebook Diem have been working behind the curtain. Now, right now, guys, the market is flat. We know CME opens tonight, so tonight going into Monday, volume definitely should pick up. But we're definitely going to start moving up. Now, are we going to get a big pump? No, we're not. We know the Fed wants to shrink that liquidity, guys. Remember, they have to build this fourth industrial revolution. Now, make sure you keep your eye on the indicators, guys. We have volume, we have Tether, and we have USDC. We know the Fed shut down that facility for ETFs and bonds. And you're in crypto, you say, what does that have to do with me? Remember, guys, we got all that extra liquidity that the Fed was pumping. That's the reason why Bitcoin hit those highs. And when Bitcoin hit highs, the rest of the cryptos get highs. So, guys, we know this is a manipulated market. Bitcoin hit that 50% correction. Majority of these cryptos got a 50, 60, 70% correction. We are in the most manipulated market in history. We are in the greatest transfer of wealth in history. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But get yourselves educated. also your friends and family is very important. And then also, guys, I talk about Grayscale. Their premium is still in the negative. Remember that lockup period ends late June, early July. And then plus that Bitcoin Trust has been closed this whole time. Make sure you keep an eye on Grayscale, especially all the assets that they have. And going over a little crypto news, guys, we have hybrid smart contracts will replace the legal system. And remember, guys, that's the reason why I play those videos at the beginning every single time. We have Andrew Yang saying lawyers will get replaced, guys. If it is algorithm and database, it definitely can be replaced. And we understand that, guys. Only thing an algorithm is giving you steps on how to do something. That's just how the brain works. And we see how they set up the political system in this last presidential election that fraud took place. Blockchain, of course, can fix all that, and that's how they're definitely going to sell it. Same thing with GameStop, Reddit, with the hedge fund guys. DeFi and tokenization can fix that. And looking at the legal system on how unfair it is, people are going to love that a computer and algorithm will fix that. So definitely, guys, remember the New World Order causes the problem. They wait for the reaction, and they already have the solution. Remember, they always want to be last resort. And lastly, guys, we have Shanghai Renji Hospital and VeChain partner for a medical project called My Baby, a blockchain-based and virtual fertilization service application. Now, someone in my Patreon has sent me this, but guys, we know that everything is going to be traced. Blockchain is now the New World Order's all-seeing eye. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Do not forget about the Crypto Teacher Stocks. I did a very important video. I just uploaded it. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks to see where the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.
We're going to change the world. It's just that simple. We didn't ask permission. We came here and we're going to get it done together. And there's simply too many people now. The markets are simply too large. The innovation is simply too vast. It's going to happen. It's no longer a question of if, it's when, and how will these dinosaurs find a way to survive in this new order. I hear a lot about New World Order. Well, guess what? There is one, and it's us. We're changing it all. We're making it a better place.